Okay, so here we are. Got the new mail. What's in this package? What could it be? That could be for a lot of things, for anything, but this one's specifically for this guy right here. Our DJI Mavic Mini. So let's see what could be in this envelope. It is a piece of cardboard. Just kidding. What we have here is from a company called DecalGirl.com, and they are decals you can put on pretty much any electronics, but I got these for my Mavic Mini drone. So I got this guy right here, showing the F-22. It's kind of neat. Even for the controller. Now this one is even cooler. Check this out. Due to copyright issues, this is called Bleep Bloop. And again, it's for the drone and the controller. Instructions for how to put this on. And the cool thing, I think I got this. I saw this on another YouTube video. Is supposedly these stickers are removable. Let's start off with, not necessarily the most fun one, but it is the easiest one. So we'll start off with the controller. And again, the instructions are pretty well laid out. Everything's numbered, and you just follow the numbers. And just to read off the instructions real quick, so start with a clean, flat surface and clean hand. We don't want dust, stray hairs, oil, or dirt to get in between you, your skin, or the Mavic. Make sure your surface of your Mavic is clean using a lightly damp cloth to remove any funk or crash dirt. Do not use alcohol or any other chemical, and don't soak it. Just enough to get the dirt off. And then while your Mavic Air dries, you can get your skin ready by removing any tiny cutouts of the skin, and that's called weeding on the decal, while it's still on the backing paper. Then you peel and apply. Gently peel the skin off its backing and apply it to your device one piece at a time. Use the edges and the holes to align it. Press firmly once perfectly lined up. Take your time and don't stretch it. If you come across any air bubbles or wrinkles during the process, gently run your fingers over them, and the channeled adhesive will allow the bubbles to be pressed out. Now that we've read the instructions, we'll see how well we can do it following the instructions. We'll just start off with the biggest piece. And I will say, you see here the DJI logo right here? There's a cutout for that, so I can either leave that cutout in, which it's in right now, or I can pull it out so it still shows the DJI logo. I really don't care about seeing the DJI logo or not, so we're just going to carefully place this guy, starting in one corner for the instructions. So I've never done this before, so this is all new to me. We'll just kind of hold it in place, make sure the holes line up, and then we'll start pushing. See, you've already got an air bubble there. Wow, that went out pretty quickly, actually. That was pretty simple for that piece anyway. Now, go to the next piece right here. Again, like the instructions said, just take your time. Okay, we got that piece in. Okay, now we're going to start on the Mavic. As you can see here, a lot of decals. So I'm going to turn this so I can see it. And let's get to work. So one cool thing too about the decal kits, any of the decal kits you get from DecalGirl for the Mavic Minis, they have these numbered for your batteries. So you can number your batteries so you know which one's which. So that's pretty cool. So let's get right into it. To make it easy, we are going to start with number 1. Immediately, this is going to change the look of this guy. Just make sure you're lined up for the DJI logo. Again, as the instructions say, be careful to not stretch the decal. They're very forgiving, but if you stretch them out, they won't fit properly. So 1 down, got 20 more to go. Okay, this decal goes on the back here. We'll just line it up. Okay, now we're moving on to decal number 3. Kind of tricky to get out here because it has some small edges, so we're just going to take our time with it. And number 3. And there it is, folks, the Bleep Bloop drone. Oh, wait a minute. Not quite done, are we? No. We have the batteries here. This is the battery that was in it, so I'm going to go ahead and take that. And for the battery labels, you can put them on wherever you like. I'm going to put them on this piece right here so I can see them in the charger. There's one. So I'll put that back in. So now I got battery 1 in. And for the others, there's 2. And there's 3. We're all done. Now let's go fly this thing. Okay, so we're outside with bleep bloop. Turned on. Now one thing too about flying a drone, this has nothing really to do with the accessory, I mean the decal kit we put on here, that's telling run around, is you need a good place to land, a good solid surface. And the easy thing to do, you can buy landing pads for these things, but it's really not necessary. This is a foldable Frisbee. Got it free at Camping World. That is really all you need for a landing pad. And then you don't really need to worry too much about having landing gear or anything like that. You can get bigger ones, of course, but there you go. There's Talon. Talon's getting ready to not have a good time because we are going to film this bad boy taking off. Okay, you may hear some booming in the background. That is Fort Bragg. So let's take off. This is a lot of fun. Love flying the drone. Go get you one. I think the decals look pretty cool. What do you guys think? Give me a note in the comment below. Tell you what. Let's land. There. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below. If you've got anything or another company that I know that a lot of people put out these decals for these drones, or if you have any experience with them, let me know. Share this video out with your friends who have a drone, want to kind of spice it up a little bit. But here's the controller, here's the drone. If you're a Star Wars fan, I highly recommend this skin. They literally have thousands of different skins at DecalGirl.com. I'm not paid by them in any way, shape, or form. Shipping was fast and loved it. So thank you guys for watching this video. We hope to see you down the road.